Hello everyone, welcome to Biological Sciences. This video is a quiz video which is related to the upcoming exam CUET 2022. Here I have bring you some questions related to biology and biotechnology. So here is our first question. What is the lifespan of mayfly? 1 day, 3 days, 6 days, 7 days. The answer is 1 day. The next question is, what is the lifespan of wheat plant? 7 days, 3 months, 6 months or 12 months? The answer is 6 months.
Next, here are some lifespans of different organisms, like lifespan of butterfly, that is 1 to 2 weeks. Lifespan of a crow is 15 years. Lifespan of a dog is 10 to 13 years. Lifespan of a banana tree is more than 25 years, and lifespan of a human is about 100 to 105 years. So the next question is, in what type of reproduction a single parent is capable of producing their offspring? Now let's see the options. So first is asexual reproduction, binary fission, asexual reproduction, sporulation. So the answer is B, C and D. As you know, asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction where a single parent is capable of producing their offspring. But binary fission and sporulation are also a type of asexual reproduction, where only a single parent is responsible for the for producing the offspring. So the answer is B, C and D. Now next question is, what is the function of reproduction? And let's see the options. A, enables continuity of the species. B, maintains life on the earth. C, creates variations among population. And D is the all of the above. As you know that reproduction helps in the continuity of the species, it also maintains life on the earth, and it creates variations during meiosis among population. So the answer is all of the above. The answer is D. Now let's move towards the next question, that is, in what type of reproduction meiosis occurs? Let's see the options. The option is A, sexual reproduction, B, asexual reproduction. So the answer is sexual reproduction. Why? Because meiosis is the reduction division which occurs during gametogenesis, or the formation of gametes, that which occurs in sexual reproduction. So meiosis occurs in the testes and the ovaries of males and females respectively, and in the primordial germ cells. So meiosis occurs in sexual reproduction. Move towards this next question. Type of reproduction in which body divides into two equal halves. Now let's see the options. A, sporulation. B, vegetative propagation. C, budding. D, binary fission. The answer is binary fission, as fission is the division of a single entity or single cell into two or more parts, whereas in sporulation a growing cell forms an endospore that uh, that uh, becomes a new entity, and this condition is also same in budding. as a new organism develops from an outgrowth or a bud due to cell division. And during vegetative propagation is a method for plant reproduction that occurs through its leaves, roots, or stems. So next question. Next question is, in what type of reproduction small buds are produced that remain attached initially to parent body and get separated on maturation? Uh, just in the previous question we have discussed about budding. So let's see the options. A. Binary fission. B. Budding. C. Sporulation. D. Vegetative propagation. The answer is budding, as only in budding a small buds forms and they initially remain attached to the parent body, and then when they get matured they get separated from the parent body and become a uh, new entity, or you can say new organism. So the answer is budding. Let's So the next question is, in which of the following vegetative reproduction takes place through roots? The options are A. Dahlia, B. Potato, B. C. Bryophyllum, and D. Agave. So the answer is Dahlia, as in Dahlia, vegetative reproduction occurs through roots. And in potato, it occurs through stems. Or we can say tubers. In bryophyllum, it occurs through leaves. And in agave, it occurs through bulbils. Okay. So the next question is, an unborn human or animal in the earliest stages of growth, when its basic structure is formed: A. Blastula, B. Embryo, C. Sperm, or D. Egg. So the answer is embryo. So embryo is the unborn human or animal in the earliest stages of growth, whereas sperm and egg are gametes which fuse during fertilization or in sexual reproduction and forms zygote, which later develop into the embryo. And blastula is one of the stage which convert into which uh, form develop into the embryo. So this is now the next question is, offspring produced are genetically and morphologically similar to the parent are known as A. Clones, B. Buds, C. Fragments, or D, gamete? So the answer is clones. Clones are the offspring which are produced and they are very much genetically and morphologically identical to the parent. And buds are the small formation or outgrowth which comes on the body of the parent and later it converted into a new offspring. Whereas fragments is also uh, a form when asexual reproduction occurs in an organism and the body convert into fragments and later the fragment detached from the body and new organism occurs. And gamete uh, form during meiosis in the sexual reproduction which later fuse and becomes develop into zygote and later into embryo. So here we have completed our questions. So please subscribe, like and share if you like this video, and we will bring more videos like this mostly related to this CUET 2022 and all other topics related to biological sciences, cell biology, molecular biology, any relevant subject which comes under biological sciences. So please subscribe if you really want to learn something in biology, and you can please like our videos and share with your friends so that other people can also take benefit from us. So thank you.